In this video, we're going to be learning the names of 9 different sea animals, as well as learning some interesting facts about each of them. Orca whale. Orcas were given the name killer whale by ancient sailors after observing groups of orcas hunting larger whale species. Dolphins. Dolphins have bigger brains than humans, 1,600 grams for dolphins versus 1,300 grams for humans. Flying fish. Flying fish propel themselves out of the water at speeds of more than 56 kilometers an hour. Once in the air, their rigid wings allow them to glide for up to 650 feet. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs are famous for carrying their homes around on their backs until they outgrow them and move into a new shell. Manta ray. Manta rays are usually black, gray, and white, but each ray has its own unique variation of spots and coloring. They're like fingerprints. Each manta ray is different. Octopus. Octopuses are smart enough to use tools. In captivity, they regularly solve puzzles, open jars, navigate obstacle courses, and even find cheeky ways to escape their tanks. Lobster. Lobsters taste with their legs and chew with their stomachs. They can also regenerate their limbs. Starfish. The eyes of a starfish are located on the ends of their arms, and just like lobsters, they can also regenerate their limbs. Electric eel. The electric eel can give electric shocks of up to 650 watts of electricity. The animal uses these shocks both for hunting and to defend itself. Hope you enjoyed those sea animal facts. Thanks for watching.